got to the point where it was such a bad hydraulic leak at one point, just because I didn't have the time to stop and fix it. I was filling the big blue square box with fucking hydraulic fluid, so I could keep cutting, you know. And if you look, here's the proof.
I see this. Well, yeah, what's your regulators at? Let's see.
We're running, I've got 115 at this, but the question is it important? So my line comes in, it goes into 115, it comes out, it goes into this line. One of these goes back, it's just an air line of the machine, just blow it off. The other one goes through another regulator, and this is only set at 70 PSI, because that goes through, these are just water separators, by the way, nothing crazy. Regulator. That goes into the tank, and that's what's going to pressurize that garnet to feed down the line and go to the table.
Right. What's this one in the back?
Which one?
The regulator in the back.
Okay, that's going to be forever for me to look at that. This is where the air line is clearly coming in from this line. So I've got one going to a regulator, which this, if I had to guess, is going all the way to the pump.
Going to the pump. Yep, that's going to the pump, and that's.
And then the other one.
That's got up around 90 PSI right now.
Where's this one going? This one is going back up with.
Well, this is your blowout air. I think you said.
See here. Here's my air line. It's going to the gantry that operates all my air actuating that says open and cut.
Okay. God damn. It's a good thing you only have to figure this out once, right?
Yeah. You've already got your split line.
Got everything ready to go.
Yeah, yours already looks good. Mine isn't bolted up. Here's your line. So we would just have to look and figure out. This one goes to this guy, and this one goes to that guy.
Yeah, this is the one right here. There you go. Right like that.
And the only thing you guys have to figure out is the length of the whip.
Right. So what is the